Imagine this, a sales rep logs into your CRM database and types in a new client's information manually. In a rush, the rep makes a few typos. No worries, they can fix it later. But when is later, exactly? After the wrong email is pulled into your email list, or maybe after a contract is drawn up, or maybe later never comes. This is a nightmare for many RevOps professionals. But if you logged into your CRM right now, what would you be met with? The likely answer for most companies is a mess of unstructured, outdated, and duplicated data. Welcome to RevOps 101, the series where we break down key revenue operations topics into bite-sized pieces to help you thrive in your career. Brought to you by the Revenue Operations Alliance. In this episode, we'll discuss what data hygiene is, how it deteriorates, and how unclean data impacts your business. What is data cleansing? Data cleansing is the process of identifying and removing incomplete, messy, inaccurate, outdated, or duplicated data from your database. In other words, the process of cleaning dirty data sets. Anything from incorrect formatting on a phone number to an outdated job title is considered dirty data. This unhelpful data can mean your sales reps miss an opportunity or can't contact a new lead. Dirty data can also lead to uninformed decision making. How does data become unclean? There are many ways data can become dirty, from human error when inputting a contact to simply a customer changing company. Here are some common types of dirty data and how they arise. 1. Outdated data. A large amount of data becomes outdated every year. People get promotions, change companies, move house to another area, or simply change phone numbers. Without proper upkeep of these details, your contact info is going to deteriorate in quality fast. 2. Duplicate data. Duplicate data can occur when a sales rep inputs a contact without realizing they're already in your CRM. This can also happen if a customer fills in a form with different information than what you already have on file. This can lead to multiple versions of the same contact in your CRM and no way to tell which info is correct. 3. Missing data. If you've ever filled in a form but left a field blank, then you've contributed to missing data. Missing data is simply information you don't have about a customer. This may occur if they miss a field in a form or if you have multiple forms that ask for different information. 4. Invalid data. Whether it's a phone number containing letters or a date of birth in 3024, there's something not quite right about this data. Invalid data is incorrect in one way or another and was likely just a mistake or typo not caught by your CRM system. 5. Incorrectly formatted data. There are lots of ways to write the same information, but your CRM doesn't always understand that. So data that's been inputted by different sales reps in a different way may become difficult to use over time. Incorrect formatting is a problem of its own, but can also cause other problems like duplicate data if your system doesn't recognize data as being the same because of those different formats. What are the effects of poor data hygiene? There are many reasons why poor data hygiene is bad for your revenue streams. Here are a few. Reason 1, you can't contact leads if you have the wrong information in your CRM. Emails could be sent to spam if you use the wrong name or pronouns, and your marketing campaigns may be less successful due to the high bounce rates or poor targeting and personalization. Another concern is ineffective optimization of segments. For example, if a customer no longer lives in the targeted area. You may even gain a negative brand perception if you get the important details wrong, such as a customer's name, leading to lowered brand trust and loyalty. Dirty data sets can also lead to uninformed decision-making based on problematic data, which may be costly to your organization. Overall, data hygiene is an important element of a successful revenue engine and should be maintained regularly to minimize data decay and avoid unnecessary losses. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and make sure you're subscribed to the channel so you never miss a new upload. Thanks for watching RevOps 101, and we'll see you in the next video where we dive deeper into the world of revenue operations.